With iOS 18, now you can change or customize your app icon from lock screen. That means you set any personalized app on your lock screen instead of using only the camera or flashlight icon. Here is how. Before you do anything, make sure you are up to date with iOS 18 or later. So let's dive right in. On your iPhone, wake it up and go to your lock screen. Long press on your lock screen to pull up edit mode. Swipe to the wallpaper that you want to edit, then hit customize. Now tap the minus icon next to the button you want to remove. Next, hit the plus icon. At this point, choose which controls you want to replace the flashlight and or camera. Finally, tap done to confirm. Great job! You've customized your lock screen icons. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks related to iPhone and other Apple devices. Thank you for watching. Stay with us.